I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove items from your YouTube TV search history. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to tv.youtube.com and then sign in to your YouTube TV account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon to open a menu and then click Settings in this menu. Step 3. Select Privacy in the menu on this screen. Step 4. Find Manage Search History and then click View associated with this option. The YouTube History screen opens. Step 5. Navigate down to the calendar icon on this screen. This is where you'll see a list of your search history for both YouTube and YouTube TV. You can click the calendar icon and use that to filter down to a specific date if that makes it easier to find the search history item you're looking for. Step 6. Find the specific YouTube TV search item that you want to remove and then click the X associated with that item. After a few seconds, a window pops up letting you know that item is being permanently deleted from your YouTube TV search history. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.